Google just dropped the Pixel 10 recently on August 28, 2025, and this might be the smartest phone you've ever seen. It's not just another upgrade. This is Google's boldest step yet in the smartphone world. Since the very first Pixel in 2016, Google has been doing things differently, while other brands race for bigger numbers and flashy specs. Pixel phones became known for their software magic. Things like incredible AI-powered photography, clean Android updates straight from Google, and features that actually make your life easier, like call screening and real-time translation. That's what makes Pixel, Pixel. Let's see this small clip.
I had so much fun at Maya's. Me divertí mucho en la primera fiesta de cumpleaños de Maya.
Unlike Apple or Samsung, Google's strength is its AI and software ecosystem. Pixels always bring cutting-edge AI tools first, whether it's removing strangers from your photos, summarizing articles with Gemini AI, or translating conversations instantly. The Pixel's AI camera editing is almost scary. It can add or remove people from photos so realistically that it's hard to tell what's real and what's edited. They're also the first to get Android updates, and they're designed to work seamlessly with all Google services you use daily, such as Gmail, Maps, Drive, YouTube, and more. Now, the Pixel 10 takes all that and turns it up. Powered by the new Google Tensor G5 chip, it's faster, smarter, and more efficient. The camera system is upgraded again, sharper details, better low light, and video that rivals professional gear. AI features are deeper than ever. Your phone can summarize your emails, edit videos automatically, and even suggest better replies in real time. The design is slimmer and more premium, but still keeps the iconic Pixel look with that camera bar. And if history repeats, the Pixel 10 could end up being the best value flagship of 2025. I am going to make more about the Pixel 10 Pro and the Pro Fold, so make sure you subscribed and turned the notifications on to be the first to get the videos.